Fear strikes to those who doesn't know their enemy. One major question is now being asked by the entire humanity. What is coronavirus? It brings great fear, anxiety, concern to many, but this video will educate us to further understand this virus. But before we unravel the truth about coronavirus, please take a second to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Coronaviruses, (CoV), are a large family of viruses that may cause illness ranging from common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome (MERS-CoV) and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome (SARS-CoV). A novel coronavirus, nCoV, is a new strain that has not been previously identified in humans, according to World Health Organization. Coronavirus is a kind of common virus that causes infection in your nose, sinuses or upper throat. There are different types of coronaviruses, two of which are the following. 1. MERS or Middle East Respiratory Syndrome in 2012, first appear in Saudi Arabia and followed by other countries in Middle East and then in other continents like Africa, Asia and then Europe, in where 858 people have died. In 2015, there was an outbreak of MERS in the Republic of Korea. It was the largest outbreak outside Middle East, in where 186 laboratory-confirmed cases and 38 people have died. 2. SARS or Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome in 2003, it was first reported in Asia in February of the same year. Over the next few months, SARS became a global outbreak affecting countries in North America, South America, Asia and Europe. Total of 8,098 people worldwide became sick, 774 died according to World Health Organization. But in early 2020, following a December 2019 outbreak in China, the World Health Organization identified a new type. It is 2019 novel coronavirus 2019 nCoV. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus are common throughout the world, which sometimes, but not often, can infect both humans and animals. It was first identified in the 1960s, but the origin is still unknown. Coronavirus under an electron microscope appears spherical, with a crown or corona of club-shaped spikes on its surface. That is why it was named coronavirus. What are the clinical signs and symptoms of coronavirus? According to WHO, signs of infection include fever, cough, shortness of breath and breathing difficulties. In some severe cases, it may lead to pneumonia, kidney failure, severe acute respiratory syndrome and even death. The incubation of the coronavirus is still unknown but roughly estimated as between 1 to 14 days. Some symptoms are runny nose, headache, and sore throat. How can we prevent coronavirus from spreading? As of today, there is no known vaccine to prevent nCoV infection. But there are some ways to prevent it from spreading. Coronavirus prevention is same like treating some other viruses. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention or CDC, here are some helpful actions in preventing the spread of any viruses including coronavirus. 1. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol if soap and water are not available. 2. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. 3. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. 4. Stay at home when you are sick. 5. Cover your mouth and nose while coughing and sneezing with a tissue. Then throw the tissue in the trash. 6. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. How to treat coronavirus? Since it doesn't have vaccine to prevent, treatment is very important at the very onset of the symptoms. You may do the following to immediately suppress the virus. 1. Take over-the-counter medicine for fever, pain, sore throat, colds and cough. Do not give aspirin to children. 2. Rest and take plenty of water. 3. Stay at home and avoid contact with other sick people. Awareness is a great weapon to fight and prevent any diseases. We should understand and educate ourselves and the community. But overall, prevention is always better than cure. For more tips on health, beauty and lifestyle, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Healthway.